So I'm going to bring you another Northern Tool in-house brand called Klutch. It is their half-inch high torque. So today, December 18th, it is 139, where it's normally 210 or 220. So I know it was like $80 off or whatever. Plus, you got a free grinder. So this was free. And then I got a $20 gift card with the purchase of all this. So you take the $20 off that. I mean, really and truly, I only got this thing for with tax, 130 bucks for everything, right? So, and again, like I said, the angle grinder free. I didn't need one, but and it's also the battery one. So now it's just a tool. It doesn't come with a battery. So the other day I did the unboxing of the drill and the impact driver. So this is a high impact torque wrench. So you can go ahead and open it up. This one also comes with their 4-volt battery. So just like before, a little bit heavier than before, but comes with its own bag with the Klutch logo on it. Again, this is just for me to just do some normal stuff. So I bought the Milwaukee a whole kit that it would have been $240 something. Same price, and that was only for the drill and the impact driver. Well, I really needed an impact. So for an impact driver, drill, and this right here, plus 3 batteries, 2 chargers, I come out $10 less. Plus the gift cards, right? So you get Manuel. Manuel's right here. Looks like the battery. Let's get in here into the battery. But yes, it is a 20 volt, 4 milliamp battery. So big battery. I mean, got some weight. I'm ready to try that one actually on the drills too. So, I mean, again, all this is interchangeable. All interchangeable. So we'll put that down there. What else we getting here? So like I said, you'll have 2 chargers. You'll have the charger from the one kit and then the charger from this kit. So again, the light here will it'll be blinking green whenever it's charging. It'll light up green whenever it's done. It'll blink red whenever it's a cold or hot charge or delay, and then it'd be solid red if there's something wrong with the battery or the battery charger. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this battery going. It does also have an indicator as well on the battery. It is showing I have all 4, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on the charger. It's just right here. So now it's charging. As you see, the light is blinking. It indicates that it is charging. Oh, so that's it. Nothing else. Nice little bag. Put it all in. And then you got your, whew, I didn't get some weight to it. You got your impact. Impact has a light, battery operated, take it to the go. High, medium, low, just like the impact driver. Brushless, everything here is brushless, 100%. So I'm going to let that charge up. I'm going to let the battery charge up. Then I'm going to take the camera outside. I'm going to bust out some lug nuts off my car just to see how quick this thing does. As far as the feel, I mean, rubber grip, nice. A little heavy in the hand. I could have got their non-high torque one. But man, I want to get the struts. I want to do stuff underneath the car, right? So this is a little bit of heavy. I mean, I wish it would have been heavier, but a little bit more. It's very, very, of course, top heavy because of the high torque. But it is comfortable in the hand. It's just, like I said, get that heaviness to it. Other than that, I mean, I know I want to charge the battery. We'll get it going here in a minute. But all these batteries, again, like I said, interchange. I mean, it's a torque wrench, right? What else can you say about it? It's a torque wrench. Just don't put no sockets or drill heads on here. I don't know if y'all watched my last video, but I cut it out of the video, but I was putting on the adapter for the house drill, the drill screws and stuff, and it has so much torque on it. I thought it was on all the way, and as I was holding it, I pulled the button to tighten it down instead of tightening it by hand, and it flew off and hit my $1,200 monitor. So that little $100 kit now cost me, $1,300 for that kit. But no, again, you got your when you go in reverse, you only have high for reverse. When you go forward, now you have low, medium, and high. I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, nice light. I don't know if it's going to really light something up. I don't know if it's that bright of a light. You really can't see, but it is just finger activated. So yeah, I mean, just after Christmas, I'm going to be getting down and doing my struts on 2 cars and sway arm bushings and everything else. So I'm trying to get prepared for that. And I just figured since I like to do reviews on products, we're going to go ahead and do this. And then, after I'm done with the car, I'll probably have a follow-up review, letting know how all this really went. All their stuff comes with a 2-year warranty. Let's go ahead and lay this down here. And my freebie, again, this right here was free, plus $20 gift card. I was shocked that they literally, this being their deal of the day, again, they did their Harbor Freight. Everyone's doing their 12 days to Christmas sale. So if you go to Northern Tool, and hopefully y'all get to watch this before it's over if y'all need it, but it's called a 12-day deal when you go to their website. And I'm not affiliated, nothing here. So normally $219, and it's on sale for $139.99, but you get that $20 gift card, right? So bring that down to $119.99 with the $20 gift card, if you look at it that way. If anything, it's just $140. Plus, if you went and bought this with a normal price, you get this free. Well, they added it into this. So this is only for today only, December 18th only. So I'm trying to get this video knocked out. That way I can upload it. That way anyone who sees it. All right, so what do we get in here? Looks like we get a grinding wheel. Grinders ain't bad. I don't need them too often. But, if I ever did need one, I'll have it. Plus, it was free. All right? I can't stress that enough. Free. Free. So, clutch pad, your guard, which it looks like just a nice latch clip. You get Manuel, your handle, and then your tool. So, yeah, if anything for this clutch line, for my main use scenario, what I want to do is I want to grab, oh man, sorry, that new grease. Man, now I'm talking about it's greasy. Look at that. Woo, they got some grease on there. You got to watch out. But they're light, and maybe, I'm going to use the impact driver as my ratchet wrench, but in smaller areas, I wouldn't mind having the ratchet wrench. So, and there again, the ones from Milwaukee are real small, and if I can find a good deal on used one, I will. But to have all the batteries, because like I said, we can interchange all these batteries, whether it's their 2 amp, 4 amp, 8 amp, or 6 amp, 8 amp, they all interchange, which is very, very good. I don't want nothing flying. So, yep, it works. I put everything on it, so you can either do right-handed hold or left-handed hold. So me personally, I'm going to be doing left-handed hold since I'm right-handed. So very nice, very easy to put together. You got your lock right here for your blade. You got 6 different settings right here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 3 low and 3 high. So I'm not trying to put it up anywhere. I don't need nothing else breaking. I don't need this monitor to break. So I'm going to be real careful with what I do. But yeah, no, for a free tool plus battery operated, I ever need something to grind down, I have it. I can grind it down. I mean, plain and simple. So I'm going to go outside. I'm going to bust out some nuts, some lugs off my car real quick. And then I'm going to try to get this video up. That way, if somebody else needs a deal like this, they can go grab a deal like this. This is insane. I mean, even if you don't get the deal on this 1/2 inch torque, and you pay the regular, you still get this free right now while supply lasts. So again, I'm not an infomercial. I have nothing affiliated. I just like to do reviews. So, all right, let me go bust out some lugs real quick. All right, like I said, I'm just your common house husband, I'm not a mechanic, none of that. But when I want to go work on my car, I want to be able to, and to have these type of tools on hand, and even like the impact driver to do things that, hanging certain things, whenever I move or whatever, hanging TVs or just doing small things around the house. It's nice to have those tools there. Is it worth your money? As of right now, yes, I believe that this is worth your money. If you can get them on deals like I did, you got to figure the whole kit, like what's going to be in my thumbnail. It should be my thumbnail. It's going to be my whole kit that I got. I got everything for $248 or so with tax, minus the $40, two separate $20 gift cards, right? So 220-ish is where I got mine. Everything, 3 batteries, 3 drills, or a drill, an impact driver, a high torque impact, and then the free grinder. So I got all that, 2 battery chargers, a 4 amp and 2 amp batteries. That's a lot for, $200, just a little over 200. So again, I like to bring reviews. I like to do reviews. My KeyCat, he's doing so good over here. We got a little cool front here in South Texas, so the windows are open. He likes that cool air coming in on them. But yeah, no, I'm ready. Like I said, right after New Year, I'm going to get underneath there and take care of my struts. The $40 gift card, I'm going to actually go back and I'm going to get their clutch impact socket set. So is what I'm going to do with that. And there again, that's basically the socket sets are going to be free for me out of all this. Like I said, I just like to do reviews. I do have a microphone review coming up by Fifine. Fifine did send this out to me to do a review, but it's my thoughts only. So if you like other type of products, go ahead and check out the review on this. It'll probably be up in a day or two after this video here. So like, subscribe, that way you don't miss out on reviews like this. This is their brand new, their newest addition to their line. Just came out like 2 weeks ago. So, but other than that, go ahead and check out this video right here. I think it's gonna be right here. I think this is where it is. Tell me if it's any good. Leave comments down below. Tell me if this video right here is any good.